guys, it's Tanya. So today we are going to be unboxing your Creative Studio. This is the April unbox. So let's just get to it, right? It looks to be, I don't know where my card is. It looks to be an artist theme. So that should be fun. Okay, let's start first. Oh, we got some stamps. You guys see those? Really nice stamps. They're clear cling stamps. Really nice. Love those. Okay. And then we got, I think these are like stickers. You know what, y'all? Let's just do it like this. Okay. Can you guys see those? Right? Really nice. Oh, and then you have like some twine. Oh, I love these. These are like some tags like that, right? And then we have some cash receipts. Pretty cool ephemera, right? This is good ephemera for your journal or whatever you're going to do. We have some washi. We might as well just cut because it's right. And it has some paint brushes on it. I don't have any fingernails, so it's going to be kind of hard for me to get this. Right? Let me pull it out for you guys. Right? Guys, I suck at this. Okay. Okay, can you see that? So, really nice washi. It's like a orangish brown color. So really cool, earthy colors, right? And then let's see, we have I think this is a stamp, and it has a picture of a man on there. I don't know who this is supposed to be, but it is kind of like together. Here is the easel, and here is the man, and there you go, right? So you have that. I'm sure he's supposed to be an artist. I just don't know who it is supposed to be. Okay. And then we have a paint brush bucket, and then we have a hand with the paintbrush. So these would be cool if you are doing like an artist journal. Those would be cool to stamp on the pages, like in the corners, I think. Oh, and then we have a palette, you know, a paint palette stamp. Oh, got two in here. Oh, we got a lot of stamps this time, guys. I have to stamp them out for you. So this is the paint palette, and then this is just the other form. So this one is more like a watercolor palette that you can fold and stuff like that. I don't know if you guys can see that. So I will stamp those out a little bit later and show you guys what they look like. This just has stamps in there. Looks like stamp stickers of different birds, look like. Or places. Oh, I love the postcard, right? So let's see. Let's just take a few out. Yeah, birds, different places, things like that. Cool stamps, right? Oh, I like this one. Can you guys see that? That's pretty. Okay, so we have that. I'm trying to hurry up, guys. Okay. Then we have the clear vellum stickers, right? Alright, so the vellum stickers, right? And then we have some paper ephemera, and let's see. This color palette is very autumny, right? And so let's see. Oh, and guys, they're thick. Thick, right? These are two, but they're still thick. I think are they stickers? No, I don't think they're stickers, but they're pretty thick, right? So then we have these, those, cute. You can turn those into tags. You have some tags. You have an easel. Wouldn't that be cute? If you're going to do a card, you can put an eyelid in there, right? Then maybe put like, if you're going to, or you could put like a sketch pad behind it or something like that. Something like that. And since the colors are autumn colors, you could do like something for what is the in November where you do the thankful challenge and stuff like that. 30 days of gratefulness or something. I think that's what it's called. I might have it all wrong, y'all, but you get the gist, right? Okay, so then we have this right here, and I don't really know what it is. I think it's just a notepad. Yeah, just a notepad, right? Apothecary, that's what it says on there. You have some different designs. Let's see, a few, right? Just a notepad, pretty cool. Then you have this, which I'm excited about. I just like labels, you guys know that. And this right here, let's see, love the packaging. I love this part right here, right? Okay, so we have some labels. These are pretty thin labels, but they're really cool, right? And then we have some ephemera pages. Oh, we have some textured pages as well. Pretty cool. And then we have, ooh, love this, guys. Love, 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 love. You know that is right up my alley. The vintage aesthetic grunge vibe. You know, oh, look at that one. Love this. Okay. Love this. This is like, oh, I love it. I love this one. Okay. Let's see. What else we have? Oh, we have some papers. We have sticker paper, vellum, art paper, and pattern paper. And there's 6 of each. Okay. So let's see what we got here. Leaving some in there. Okay. So we have vellum, of course. Then we have these, which is really nice. Right? Nice. I like this. Right? And then this is the textured paper, right? So really nice. Love that. And then we have masking tape. It's called masking tape, but I really think that it's just decoupaging tissue paper. That's what it feels like. I could be totally wrong, y'all, but it feels like oh, and it has tubes of paint on there. This is really cool. Really cool. Huh. Yeah. So that is the box, guys. I will see what we can bake. Okay, guys, so I made this little travel sketchbook. So it has sketchbook paper in here. This is watercolor paper. This is one of the labels, and this right here is the pocket or the envelope that everything comes in, right? So I just inked it up and glued it down, and I'm going to show you guys what materials I used real quick, okay? All right, so I have an 8.5 by 11 cardstock. I got this cardstock from Hobby Lobby. It's a little shiny, so I just grunged it up a little bit with my archival ink, right? We punched a hole, put an eyelet right there. So I laid it down like this on my scoreboard, right? And so I scored 2 inches on the right, like this, you know. Just scored it at 2 inches and made a line, and then from the left I scored at 4 inches and made a line. Okay, and then that gives you this right there. Cool envelope pouch thing if you wanted to do it like that, or you can do it like this. Okay, guys, next thing I did was I sewed around it. I forgot I didn't sew around this one, so I sewed around it. You do not have to do that. Okay, and then what we're gonna do, oh, this is just sketchbook paper. Here, let me show you guys really quick. This, I found a couple of these at the Dollar Tree. I think they were $1.25, but they might have been $3. I don't know, but I think they were $1.25 because I got a couple of them. Okay, and then I have these right here. I don't know what they're called, but I bought a whole box of them. I don't know what they're called, y'all. So if somebody knows what they're called, please let me know. But you know, you just fold them like this, and then you you know, put whatever you want in the inside of there, right? Right? I think it looks good, right? Okay, and then I just took one of the labels, sewed around it. Again, guys, you do not have to sew. And why did I put a label? I was thinking maybe you could like put the date, you know, especially like if you're like me and you want to get back into sketching and watercoloring and things like that. So you can make a couple of these to practice and then show your improvement. So this date is August, da da da. I started, you know, this with this person, with this tutorial, and this is what I did. So something like that, right? So see, it is just the back, right? So I'm going to glue it down like a pocket because you never know when you might want to put something in there, but you do not have to. You do not have to do this at all. Or what you could have did is you could have not cut it off like I did and use the actual envelope and then just put the sketchbook paper behind there. You could use the actual envelope as a pocket in here, you know. So, or you could have used like stacked them up and put double pockets, you know, just whatever, right? Okay, isn't that easy? Okay, I have twine. No big deal. You don't have to use twine. You can use any string. But this is what I have. That matches. Okay, perfect, right? And then we are just gonna do it like this, right? And you're done. Okay, come on, cooperate, fingers. Perfect. Okay, so you have this one, and of course you have this one, right? And you don't have to, you could actually use the pattern paper that was in there and just use like white cardstock and, you know, but I think this is more travel-y. So yeah, oh guys, this is what the stamp stamped out. Like, they stamped out really good. If you see like some around, it's because it's a stamper error because of me, because I'm not really good at it, but that's okay. So this is what they stamped out like. This is what we made, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. I will be back soon because I have a freebie for you guys because Friday is my birthday. Yay! Okay, bye. God bless.